Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Rohit Tech. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to download and install Zoho Mail Desktop on macOS. First of all, I am going to download Zoho Mail. Open web browser. I am using Google Chrome, you can use any web browser. Go to Google website. Go to Google search bar. Type here. Download. Zoho Mail for Mac. Press Enter. Click on first link. Download Zoho Mail Desktop app for Windows, Mac, Linux. Click on Download for Mac. If you have Apple M chip, you can click on it. If you have Intel chip, you can click on it. In my case, I have Mac Intel chip, so I am going to click Intel. It is 109 MB setup file. Now the downloading is completed. Close web browser. Click on Finder. Click Downloads. Here it is our Zoho Mail setup file. Let's right-click on it. Open with Installer. Close Downloads. Welcome to the Zoho Mail Desktop installer. Click Continue. Select a destination. Click Continue. This will take to 73.8 megabits of space on your computer. Click Install. Type here Rohit password. Click Install software. Installing Zoho Mail Desktop. The installation was successful. Click Close. Do you want to move the Zoho Mail Desktop to the bin? In my case, I will keep this installer. Click on Launchpad. Click on Zoho Mail icon. Click I understand the risk. Click Allow. Log on Zoho Mail. I have already created Zoho Mail ID. You can log on as Gmail, Yahoo, Facebook, etc. Now I am log on as Zoho Mail ID. Secure your account using MFA. In this video demonstration, I will not configure MFA. Click on Remind 2 weeks. Now Zoho Mail is logged successfully. Do you want to set the Zoho Mail Desktop as your default mail application? Click Yes. Here is an interface on Zoho Mail. This is our welcome mail. Let's close Zoho Mail application. So viewers, in this video tutorial you can learn how to download and install Zoho Mail Desktop app on macOS. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.